Have you ever wondered why some people work harder every single year, yet somehow they never become wealthy? It isn't because they aren't intelligent. It isn't because they don't work hard enough. And it certainly isn't because they don't deserve success. The truth is far more uncomfortable. Most people spend their entire lives trapped inside a system they never even realize exists. A trap. Hidden in plain sight. A trap that quietly steals opportunities, consumes time, and slowly reshapes the way people think about money. The frightening part? Almost everyone believes they're making smart financial decisions. But many of those decisions are carefully programmed habits. Habits passed down through parents, schools, friends, and society itself. Nobody ever stops to ask one simple question. What if everything I believe about building wealth is incomplete? Because real wealth rarely disappears overnight. It disappears one small decision at a time. One unnecessary purchase. One emotional reaction. One missed opportunity. Until years later, people wake up wondering where all their money went, and why someone else seemed to get ahead so much faster. Today, we're going to expose one of the biggest financial traps almost nobody talks about. And once you see it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Most people spend their entire lives working harder, saving more, sacrificing more. Yet somehow, they never feel financially free. Why? Because the real trap was never a lack of income. The trap was the invisible system shaping every financial decision they made. Think about it. From childhood, you were taught one simple rule. Go to school. Get a job. Earn a salary. Save money. Avoid debt. Repeat. It sounds responsible. It sounds safe. But what if that formula was designed to create stability instead of wealth? There is a massive difference. Stability keeps you comfortable. Wealth creates freedom. And those are not the same thing. Every paycheck gives the illusion of progress. You feel productive. You feel secure. But each month, the cycle begins again. Work. Earn. Spend. Recover. Repeat. Years quietly disappear. Without realizing it, you become dependent on the next paycheck. Not because you are lazy. Not because you lack intelligence. But because your financial operating system was never upgraded. The wealthy understand something different. Money should work. People should not work forever. That single belief changes everything. Instead of asking, how can I earn more? They ask, how can my money produce more money? That question creates an entirely different future. See, wealth is built through leverage. Leverage of money. Leverage of businesses. Leverage of investments. Leverage of systems. Average people sell time. The wealthy build machines that keep producing value, even while they sleep. This is why two people earning exactly the same income can end up living completely different lives 20 years later. One kept exchanging hours. $4. The other invested every extra dollar into assets that multiplied themselves. Slowly. Quietly. Almost invisibly. Until one day, the gap became impossible to ignore. The frightening part is that this transformation never looks dramatic. There is no overnight success. No secret button. No magical investment. Just thousands of disciplined decisions. Made consistently. While everyone else chased quick wins. Real wealth grows silently. Just like a tree. You never notice it growing. Until one day, its shadow covers everything. And by then, most people wonder how someone became lucky. It was never luck. It was psychology. It was patience. It was understanding that time rewards systems far more than effort alone. So, if hard work isn't enough, what actually separates the wealthy from everyone else? It starts with one invisible habit. The habit of seeing money differently. Most people see money as something to spend. The wealthy see money as something to deploy. That single shift changes every financial decision. Imagine receiving $1,000. One person immediately thinks, "What can I buy?" The other quietly asks, "How can this money make more money?" The amount is exactly the same. The mindset is completely different. And over time, that difference compounds. This is the trap almost nobody notices. Consumer culture rewards instant gratification. Every advertisement tells you, "You deserve this. Buy it now. Upgrade today." But wealth follows a completely different language. Wait. Think. Invest. Multiply. The wealthiest people rarely make emotional financial decisions. Not because they don't feel temptation, but because they understand something most people never learn. Every dollar has a job. If you spend it, its journey ends. If you invest it, its journey begins. That's why wealthy people often appear patient. They're not waiting because they're uncertain. They're waiting because they understand timing. Opportunities come and go. But capital, once protected, can be deployed again and again. This is why emotional spending is so dangerous. It doesn't just cost today's money. It quietly steals tomorrow's opportunities. The real price of an impulse purchase isn't what you paid today. It's what that money could have become. 5, 10, or 20 years from now. This is how wealth slowly disappears. Not through one massive mistake, but through hundreds of tiny decisions that feel completely harmless in the moment. The wealthy know something that sounds almost too simple. Small choices, repeated consistently, create extraordinary outcomes. Not because the choices are dramatic, but because time quietly multiplies everything. Both good decisions and bad ones There's another cost. One that's even more valuable than money. Time. Every wealthy person understands this before they become wealthy. Time is the only asset that can never be earned back. Money can be lost and earned again. A business can fail and be rebuilt. An investment can recover. But a single hour, once gone, is gone forever. That's why wealthy people constantly ask one question: is this worth my time? Not, can I afford it? But, is this the highest value use of my time? That question changes everything. Most people spend years trying to save small amounts of money. The wealthy spend years learning how to save time. Because saved time creates new opportunities, new ideas, new businesses, new relationships, and eventually, new wealth. Look closely at successful entrepreneurs. They automate repetitive work. They delegate low-value tasks. They build systems. Not because they're lazy, because they understand that every hour they free up can be invested into something far more valuable. This is where the wealth gap begins to grow. One person keeps trading hours for income. The other spends those same hours building assets that continue producing value. At first, the difference is almost invisible. Both seem equally busy. Both seem equally successful. But after 5 years, their lives begin moving in completely different directions. After 10 years, the gap becomes enormous. One still depends on tomorrow's paycheck. The other depends on systems, investments, and assets working quietly in the background. This is why wealth rarely looks exciting while it's being built. Most of the important work happens when nobody is watching. No applause. No headlines. No overnight success. Just consistent decisions, made over and over again. While the world celebrates fast results, wealth quietly rewards patience. And patience is becoming one of the rarest financial skills in the modern world. But there's one final trap. And this one is the most dangerous of them all. It's invisible. You can't touch it. You can't see it. Yet it quietly controls millions of lives. It's called comparison. The moment people begin comparing their lives to everyone else, their financial decisions stop being logical. They become emotional. Someone buys a newer car. You suddenly feel behind. A friend posts pictures from an expensive vacation. Now your own life feels smaller. A colleague buys a bigger house. And without realizing it, you begin chasing a lifestyle instead of building wealth. This is exactly what modern society encourages. Consume more. Upgrade more. Show more. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Many people look wealthy while quietly drowning in debt. Luxury doesn't always mean freedom. Sometimes, it simply means higher monthly payments. The truly wealthy understand something different. They don't buy things to impress strangers. They invest to create choices The freedom to say no.
The freedom to spend time with family.
The freedom to walk away from work they no longer enjoy.
That's what real wealth looks like.
Not expensive watches. Not luxury cars. Not designer clothes. Real wealth is control over your own life. And that's something money alone can never buy. Ironically, the people chasing status often sacrifice freedom, while the people quietly building freedom rarely feel the need to chase status. This is why the wealthiest people often appear surprisingly ordinary. Their confidence doesn't come from what they own. It comes from knowing their future isn't controlled by the next paycheck, or the next promotion, or someone else's opinion. The greatest financial victory isn't looking rich. It's becoming financially unshakable. Because when your decisions are no longer driven by comparison, you stop playing someone else's game. And finally, you begin building your own. So, what is the wealth trap nobody talks about? It isn't debt. It isn't inflation. It isn't the economy. Those things matter, but they are rarely the real reason people stay financially stuck. The greatest trap is living on autopilot, accepting financial beliefs without ever questioning them, working harder instead of thinking differently, spending to feel successful instead of investing to become successful, choosing comfort today while quietly sacrificing freedom tomorrow. The truth is, wealth is built long before it ever appears in a bank account. It begins in the mind, in your habits, your patience, your decisions, and most importantly, the questions you ask yourself every single day. Because every financial decision is really a psychological decision. Before money changes, thinking changes. Before lifestyles change, habits change. Before results change, beliefs change. The people who build lasting wealth aren't necessarily the smartest. They simply refuse to let emotions control their financial future. They understand that every dollar, every hour, and every decision is either building freedom or quietly delaying it. So the next time you're about to make a financial decision, pause for a moment. Ask yourself one simple question. Will this make me look wealthy today? Or help me become wealthy tomorrow? That single question might change the direction of your entire financial future. Because real wealth isn't about having more. It's about needing less, thinking better, and allowing time to work in your favor. The wealth trap isn't impossible to escape. But you can only escape a trap after you realize you're inside one. And perhaps today was the first step out. If you enjoyed this journey into the psychology of wealth, consider subscribing to Wealth Maps. Because the greatest investment you'll ever make isn't in the stock market. It isn't in real estate. It isn't even in business. It's in the way you think. And once your thinking changes, everything else begins to follow.